CBSE Class 10 Math video solution to sample question paper given by the CBSE board for the board examination in the year 2021. This is a basic version of the paper. We are looking at solution to 4 questions, all of which are 1 mark question, starting from question number 9 all the way up to question number 12. Question number 9 is a question from trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry is the concept tested. Let's quickly run through this question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground where it makes an angle of 30 degrees. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. What is asked? Find the height of the tree from where it is broken. Let's depict this entire thing in the form of a right triangle to understand what is happening. AC is the tree, the height of the tree when it was still not broken. B is the point where the tree actually breaks, right? AC is the full length of the tree. B is the point where it breaks. It breaks and the broken part touches the ground and let it touch the ground at point D. What is mentioned? It makes an angle of 30 degrees at the point where it touches the ground. The second thing that's mentioned is from the foot of the tree, the place where the top of the tree touches the ground, the distance is equal to 8 meters. So, AD is equal to 8 meters. The angle that is made is equal to 30 degrees. So, all of these are basically data culled from the question and we have basically presented it in the form of a right triangle. What do we have to find out? Find the height of the tree from where it is broken. Height of the tree from where it is broken. So, what we need to find out is the measure of AB. The length of AB is what we need to find out. We know we are obviously talking about a right triangle because this angle BAD is equal to 90 degrees. The ground and the place where the tree is standing, it is 90 degrees. So, this is a right angle. We have one angle, we have measure of a side and we need to find out the third side. We need to find out AB. In this right triangle, to angle 30 degrees, for this 30 degree angle, what side is AD? It's the side closest to 30 degrees. So, it is the adjacent side. What is it that we are trying to find out? AB. What is AB to this angle? AB is the opposite side to this angle. So, we have an angle and we have measure of one of the sides which is the adjacent side. We will have to find out the measure of the other side which is the opposite side. Which trigonometric ratio combines the opposite side and adjacent side? Tan basically combines these two. So, tan of angle D, let me call it tan of angle D, which is tan 30 is what we are trying to find out. Tan 30, any tan is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side in our case is equal to AB. Adjacent side is equal to AD. Tan 30, the value is equal to 1 upon root 3. AB is what we are trying to find out. The measure of AD is given as 8 meters. Cross multiply this 8, we will get the value of AB. AB is equal to 8 divided by root 3 meters, right? So, this will get you 1 mark. Write this tan and write this answer, you have 1 mark in your kitty. Quickly recap it in a printed form. We are looking at tan basically because we are looking at adjacent side for which we have the value and what we are trying to compute is the opposite side for this angle. So, tan 30 degrees is equal to AB upon AD. Find the value of tan 30 which is 1 upon root 3. AD substituted as 8. Find the value of the height of the tree from where it is broken which is equal to 8 divided by 3 root 3, 8 divided by root 3 meters. Move to the second question, which is question number 10. Very simple question. If the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal, then find the radius of the circle is what the question is. Perimeter of the circle, formula for that is equal to 2 pi r known to us. Area of the circle, formula is equal to pi r square. They are essentially saying it's such that, for example, if this is 100, this is also 100. Numerically, both are equal is what they are saying. If that is the case, find out the radius is what they are saying. So, 2 pi r, the value that you get will be the same as the value that you will get by computing pi r square. For what value of r will that happen? Look at terms that are common to both sides. Pi is a term common to both sides. R is a term common to both sides. So, what we will do is, we will divide both sides of this equation by pi r. So, I divide 2 pi r by pi r and I am going to divide pi r square also by a pi r. Numerically, we know both are equal. Dividing both sides by the same value will retain that equality. So, pi gets cancelled with pi, r gets cancelled with r. We have 2 on the left hand side. Right hand side, pi gets cancelled with pi, r gets cancelled with r square to leave us with an r. So, 2 is equal to r. or the radius is equal to 2 units. When will the circumference and the area be equal numerically? When the radius is equal to 2. Quickly summarize it again in a printed form. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Area is equal to pi r square. Perimeter or circumference, meaning one and the same. So these are numerically equal. So 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Let's divide both sides of the equation by pi r. What we are left with is basically r is equal to 2 units. So move on to the third question in this series, in this video, which is the 11th question. Write the empirical relationship among mean, median and mode. This is the first and the most important thing that you need to know from the statistics chapter. Simple reason, this question has been tested quite often. If you are able to write this one line, you have 1 mark. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Write this, get a mark, move on. Takes probably half a minute to complete this. So remember it before the examination, write it 3-4 times and see, because if you get a question of this kind, you should not miss it. The last question, which is the 12th question, in this video the last question is this. To divide a line segment BC internally in the ratio 3:5, we are dividing a line segment BC internally in the ratio 3:5. I will show it with a diagram in the next slide. We draw a ray BX such that CBX is an acute angle. Okay. What will be the minimum number of points to be located at equal distances on ray BX is what the question is, right? So here we have line segment BC to be divided internally in the ratio 3:5. We are using this ray BX to basically divide it. How many points, what is the least number of points that we need to locate on BX so that this happens? Basically, it involves one very simple idea. What's the ratio in which we are dividing it? 3:5. Is this the least form of this ratio? Is there any term common between 3 and 5? 3 and 5 are obviously prime numbers. There cannot be anything common between them. So 3:5 is the least form of this ratio, which means that we need to essentially divide this equally into at least 8 parts or any other number which will be a multiple of 8 parts. So how many points at the least should be located on this ray BX? We need to have a minimum of 8 points located on it, right? All of these 4 questions are actually very, very easy questions. Should not take anything more than a minute in any one case, right? So leave us your feedback and comments about what do you think about these videos. What else would you like to see so that it's going to help you with your class 10 math preparation. Next video, I'll see you answering questions, solving next 4 questions. We'll solve questions 13 to 16 in the next video. Till then, best wishes for your class 10 CBSE board examination preparation. Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE class 10 math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. So get it done today. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you already haven't and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.